I think everybody agrees that we have to move towards a sustainable future in terms of energy use. There is a period where we're going to continue to need to use fossil fuels. We're here in the northwest Highlands of Scotland, and everybody tends to assume that we know all there is to know about the geology in this area. And the research that we've been doing has actually shown that that is far from the case. Samples were taken from the Rona Ridge, west of Shetland, back in the 1970s. And we went back and studied them again and discovered a whole series of rather unexpected things. Oil was actually being accumulated in open fractures that had formed near the surface and associated with faults that were actively moving and accumulating earthquakes. And what we found was that in the interseismic periods between the earthquakes, the fractures were opening up and sedimentary material was pouring into those fractures and mineral fluids were coming up from below. And those two things act to hold the fractures open. And then in came the oil. Well, the offshore companies had known about there being oil in these fractured basement rocks, so we have actually given them confidence that to take the significant financial risks that are involved in trying to extract that oil, and that's what they're doing. Back in the early days when we were collecting the onshore fracture data, we wanted to collect it in a way that was compatible with the way in which industry collects its own data from offshore. And the techniques that we developed, we decided could be commercialised, and we created the company with the support of NERC. We've been able to create a significant number of highly skilled graduate level jobs.
So Geospatial Research Limited provides services for around 45 oil and gas companies and a wide range of universities in the UK and further afield.
The oil industry has been of major economic and social importance in Scotland, and if these projects are successful, that is going to be of great benefit to the country. I will be very pleased to see that.